In these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace an engine valve cover that is cracked, excessively worn, rusted out, or otherwise defective. In this clip, we're going to talk about protecting some of the electronic devices on your vehicle. What we're going to be doing to replace our valve cover is, as you can see, the mating surface is pretty nasty. We're going to be using a spray solvent to clean that up, and being that our distributor is located right here, we're going to bag it up and tie it off. Your particular vehicle may not have a distributor. There may be a fuse box or some other piece of electrical equipment you don't want your solvent getting into. Pretty much straightforward. I'm using a trash bag. You can use any kind of plastic that you want. I'm going to have to unplug my ignition coil wire. Unplug this guy right there. Fold him down. Get all these together. Put them in my trash bag. Like I said, depending on your particular engine, you may have some different things that require protection. This one in particular does have a distributor. And that's pretty much it. Good and protected.